Hey everybody, welcome back once again with Craig for another edition of Loot Crate Unboxing. This time around we have the Fallout Crate. We got it today, so I can't wait to delve into this. Check out all the cool merch that's going to be inside. I'm a big Fallout fan, so let's get right into this. First thing we'll notice about the crate is the big Fallout 4 sticker right on the front there. The carton, almost like any standard Loot Crate box. However, large size, like me, I like that. So let's get this open up. We'll check out everything inside. So first up, we have what they've been promising. Oh, sealed in the bag. Need to use the handy dandy knife again. Our Vault Tech Vault 111 hoodie. Check that out. Awesomeness. You can tell it's authorized and licensed right there. Bethesda Softworks. Let's get this on. Up next we have, also in a sealed bag. What's with all the sealed bags? Making us work for our stuff. Come on, Loot Crate. What's up with that? Oh, it's so cute. It's our little plush dog meat. Look at him. He's so adorable. He's so adorable. Don't run through the laser grid. Oh, poor guy. I'll put your goggles back on. I know a lot of people have been complaining about dog meat as a companion. Never really had too much problems. However, I've also learned how to block his way so he can't get around me when I don't want him to, which is a pretty handy thing to do. Although I've been playing with Nick quite a bit, so. Oh, let's check this out. Up next, we got something in a tube. Oh, promotional posters for Nuka-Cola. If you're going to go anywhere, make sure you keep your ice-cold Nuka-Cola on hand. And we also have a lithograph shot of the garage. Power armor hooked up, ready to get worked on. That's one thing I wish they had in the game. You put your power armor in front of your workstation to work on it, but you actually don't hook it up. It'd be pretty cool if somehow you got out and okay, now we'll work on it. Maybe for next time. Up next, Fallout 4 collector pin set. If I can get it open. There we go. Pretty cool. We have Vault 111 vault door. Red Rocket gas station. Or should I say, fusion station. The Brotherhood of Steel emblem, and a Vault Boy pin. This is pretty cool. I like this already. Now we have its own little case, Fallout 4 coaster set. Let's check these out. Oop. Big wrap job. Oh, very nice. Not glass, not wood, not foam. Plastic. So you can actually use these and not worry about them getting damaged. That I appreciate. We have 111, Vault Boy, Nuka-Cola Pinup Girl. Vault-Tec Industries. And on the back of all of them, Bethesda imprint. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, a bag that's not sealed. And in this we have our Brotherhood of Steel flag. A little large. I think I had to hang that more on the wall, but then again, I could take it camping with me. Fly my flag high. Let people know. You want good times? Stop right here. Alright. Getting down to the end. Oh, this one's not sealed either, just a little bit of tape. There we go. Ooh, a Vault 111 messenger bag. You never go wrong with one of these. Little pouch to put some pens and accessories. Inner pouch to store everything. Would be good for laptops. Might be what I use mine for. Velcro along with clasp to make sure it doesn't open. Carrying handle. Carrying strap, and a little cover carrying case. And as always, we have the explanation guide to let us know everything that's in here. Fallout 4 limited edition crate from Loot Crate and Bethesda. Everything listed right there. Promotional posters, Vault 111 hoodie, the coaster set, pin set, messenger bag, the Brotherhood of Steel flag, and your plush dog meat. And one other cool little extra, the inside of your crate turns into your very own Nuka-Cola fridge. Flip it inside out, and as one crafty father has already done online, turn it into a bank for his kids. That's an excellent idea. Help them start saving up for the future. Because as you know, you never know what it'll bring. Because war never changes. So, until next time, that's all we have for today. I'd like to give two quick shout outs though. One, Captain Cook from across the pond for these excellent mashup t-shirts. If you can't tell what these two properties are right here, then it's time to go home. And another shout out today. Thank you to my buddy Ryan Martin for standing in line this morning to get my edition or my bottle of Nuka-Cola Quantum. The guy was nice enough to stand outside for a couple hours waiting just to grab two bottles, one for him, one for me. So Ryan, thumbs up to you, buddy. So that's it till next time, which actually should be in a couple of days when December's Galaxy Crate comes out, which is going to be an excellent show. So we'll see you next time. You take care, and you stay classy.